Today, every organization is in a perpetual struggle for the most valuable resource available: attention to get rich. Successful people don't become that way overnight. In today's world, people must put in a lot of effort and monitor the market closely to become wealthy. The true difficulty for businesses may not be creativity, but getting and keeping customers' attention long enough to encourage them to act. This is because there is no longer merely a financial economy, but also an attention economy. We often hear from business owners who reach out to potential clients, but they don't answer. This is due to the fact that these entrepreneurs are concentrating on the incorrect economy. In order to get people to take action, you need to first get their attention. But what exactly is the attention economy, and how does it help you get rich? Welcome to Better Human Academy. In today's video, we will talk about how to get rich in the attention economy. Make sure to watch all the way through to find out the real means to get rich. Attention economy. Attention economy is a method for managing information that views human attention as a scarce resource and employs economic theory to tackle a variety of information management issues. The word alludes to the fact that the quantity and variety of information and experiences contending for our focus far outstrips it. Thomas H. Davenport and John C. Beck, writing from this vantage point, define attention as follows. Attention is focused mental engagement on a particular item of information. Items come into our awareness, we attend to a particular item, and then we decide whether to act. In today's attention economy, our attention is continually inundated with information from social media, television, and news sources, making it impossible for a single source of information to genuinely capture and impact us. Therefore, in order to compete in the modern business environment, marketers need to think outside the box and come up with fresh ways to pique the interest of their increasingly volatile target demographics. As said by Jacob Nielsen, in the attention economy, anyone trying to connect with an audience must treat the user's time as the ultimate resource. In essence, the people's attention has become a commodity, and monetizing it is a crucial aspect of many business model strategies. The first person to address the attention economy was the Nobel Prize winner economist Herbert A. Simon, who said, "What information consumes is rather obvious. It consumes the attention of its recipients. Hence, a wealth of information creates a poverty of attention." Customer listening. In order to really feel connected with customers, there should be a shift from talking to listening, from selling to asking, and from informing to helping. To accomplish this, you need to adjust your perspective on consumer interaction. When trying to get momentum in the market, you should view your customers as collaborators rather than a means. The technique, the manner, and the subjects of business owners listening must all change. Changing your outlook is the first step. Realizing that your new target market is just as important to the success of your new product or service as the idea itself is crucial to your company's growth. In actuality, the success of an idea depends entirely on the customer. As stated by Vince Lombardi, it takes months to find a customer, seconds to lose one. Make sure to watch until the end, as we will be sharing one of the most important strategies to get rich in the attention economy. Customer connection. When a customer comes to you with an issue, they are doing it because they want to find a solution to that problem themselves. Customers want to feel safe and secure when working with your business as a whole, not just with a single product. And that's why it is so important to communicate with them. Here's where social media really comes into its own. Real-time content like Instagram videos, Snapchat stories, and Facebook Live provide you with a one-on-one opportunity to connect with your clients and get to know them. As stated by Michael LaBeouf, every company's greatest assets are its customers, because without customers, there's no company. One more strategy for retaining clients and increasing profits is to offer them priority service and instantaneous delivery. Targeted advertisement. Targeted advertising allows businesses to provide adverts to customers that are more relevant to their individual characteristics, hobbies, and purchasing habits. Marketers achieve this by dividing their target customers into subgroups based on characteristics such as demographics, purchasing history, and website clicks, and then using this information to craft ads that appeal to each subgroup specifically. Because of their widespread availability, media platforms have become a prime location from which to glean viewers in an effort to increase advertising revenue. Commercials on television, for example, are gold mines for the advertising industry in terms of gathering viewers' attention. The greater the number of viewers collected, the greater the amount of attention sold, which drives up the cost of advertising. As consumers, we are manipulated into buying a service or product by having our attention sold to us. As stated by Henry Ford, stopping advertising to save money is like stopping your watch to save time. Therefore, making sure your product is seen by the right people is crucial. Make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel, like and comment on this video, and remember to subscribe to never miss a video. Influencer marketing schemes. In the past, the ability to sway public opinion used to be the exclusive domain of Hollywood's elite. Today, with the ability to become an influencer at the click of a button, marketers have greater access to their desired consumers, who are more likely to listen to and act on recommendations made by people they already follow. Because of the plethora of social media platforms available today, it is increasingly difficult for businesses to gain their target audience's attention, raise their profile, and attract new customers. Therefore, an influencer marketing strategy makes use of digital creators that have considerable sway over their particular markets or demographics when it comes to making purchases. With the right plan in place, you can collaborate with these people to spread the word about your business, products, and services via well-crafted messages, expanding your client base, and in turn, your ability to rake in millions of dollars. However, before advertising your brand with influencers, you should create a strategy that allows you to maximize exposure, optimize campaign success, and track progress at every stage. The real challenge for firms may not be innovation, but rather capturing and holding customers' attention long enough to compel them to take action.